What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Slay Sunday. For today's look, I wanted to dive into my very first Louise product. Look at that. It was so pretty. I just decided to check the website I guess probably a little over a month ago or so, and I just really wanted to try some of their products because they were on sale. Like, I got that for $11. I got this palette and then a more pink toned palette, so I'll probably try that one next week. I'll see. But I was trying to decide what exactly I wanted to do with this look. I just knew I wanted to give blues, so I am starting out with not quite the deepest shade in the palette, but one of the darker blues, and I am taking my I believe that's my e.l.f. crease brush, I believe, and I'm placing that on the outer corner of my eyelid. And next, I am going in with the deepest blue in the palette, and I am placing that. I kind of just wanted to deepen up that look a little bit, so I'm placing that kind of on top of the first blue that I put, just to give it a little bit more oomph, a little more depth. It's funny because I don't usually go this route of doing the dark to light, but I usually go light to dark, but I'm doing it the opposite this time. So I'm taking that nice baby blue, Carolina blue, if you will. I am taking that and then my other e.l.f. brush, and I am placing that, I'm blending that with the deeper blues. And next, I was really struggling trying to figure out what exactly I wanted to use for my lid shade, but I made the decision. I decided to go in with that really pretty shimmer shade, and I'm applying the I was still having my doubts, but after I saw the shade, I thought it was gorgeous, so I'm applying that with my finger. Like, you see the power and pigment of that shimmer? Oh my god, so pretty, and even prettier in person. So I'm placing that shade on my lid with my finger. And then what I actually wound up using, I did that kind of seafoam green color, and I wound up using that in my inner corner, so I was still able to use both shades. now I am taking just what is left on my crease brush from the blues. I'm taking what's left on the brush and I'm just placing that on my lower lash line to tie the look together. And since this is such a small palette, I really wanted to try my best to use like most of the shades. So I decided to go in with that kind of iridescent shimmer shade. And I placed that on top of the blue. I don't really think it did anything, but you know, I tried it. But I added my liner, mascara, and my lashes off camera. As you can see, I was clearly obsessed with the look. Okay, and now I'm taking, I found this from Ross actually. It is from Glam Light. It is a pack of their Hershey Kisses line or whatever. I've never tried a Glam Light product. I think their products look really nice. I definitely want to try like an eyeshadow palette from them eventually, but they're expensive. But I just went in with that kind of brownish, not the super brown, but the more kind of mocha-y color gloss, and I thought that that was a nice touch with the look. Because I didn't want too nude of a lip, but I still wanted on the more nude side for me, since the eyes were so colorful. And now we set. Yes, I'm using my I think it's Makeup Revolution actually, that setting spray. It's like a 16-hour hold. I like it. I still like my kimchi one, but I'm running low on that, so I'm trying to preserve that as much as I can because the Makeup Revolution one is definitely a lot cheaper. But ladies and gents, this is the final look. I was seriously so happy with how this turned out. I definitely understand why the folks love Louise. I'll definitely have to try some more things from her in the future, but that shipping took a little minute. Like I think it literally took my items a month to arrive, but the packaging super cute and detailed. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I'll be back next week with some more. Bye you guys.